What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Birdhouse. Let's cook up a beat. I got Keyscape pulled up. I'm going to go ahead and work in a major scale today. G sharp major, A flat major, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to go ahead and use arcade on part of the melody. So we're going to work with some vocal samples, see what we can come up with. All right. In the piano roll. So for the major key or major chord, I'm going to go from the root note, G sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right here. So normally to make a chord, we would skip one note in the scale and we'd put it here. That'd be a minor chord. So we're just going up 1 with the middle note, brightens it up, makes it a major chord. All right, let's hear the beginning of this chord progression. Select all and hit Option R and just play with the velocity sum. And then I'm going to hit Option S, which brings up this strummizer. It's like making a guitar strum, so we can move the... All right, and we're just going to give it some light strum to move things out of time a little bit. All right, and then some of these middle notes, I'm going to try moving up an octave. Just trying to see if I can give it some more variation. So the highs come in parts. All right, and then let's add a pad to this. Put this on the pad. Make sure to save your work. All right, now we'll add arcade. It's a good idea to save before you start making moves. Pull up another plugin and everything crashes. You wish you'd saved. All right, I'm going to jump in this JUKEBOX vocals. I've been loving these lately. They're really, really cool.
Rama, whoa. Best put that away, baby. Ooh, snap.
I'm going to pull up that one, and then we're in A flat major, which is G sharp major, you know, G sharp, A flat, same key. All right.
You tell me that the love we...
All right, and then I'm going to send that to a channel because I'm going to put reverb on it for sure and EQ on it for sure.
Tell me that the love we had was
Just adjusting the sample a little. I just want that tell me that this. All right, let's see what else is in here. Come on. All right, that's awesome. Let's do another one. I'm gonna play these in. Yes, she is. Come on. Woo, there we got some. Let's go.
The Birdhouse.